Hi, welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you this beautiful card that I made using the Ornate Thanks stamp set. The Ornate Thanks stamp set is part of our April pre-order for our 2020 annual catalog. This is part of a suite, and the suite contains these gorgeous dies also. So today we're going to be using this beautiful stitched rectangle and this gorgeous frame. So let me set this aside and we'll get started. I'm going to start my project with a stamping. I happen to be taking the thank you sentiment, the large bold one here, and I am going to stamp it using my early espresso onto some Whisper White cardstock. Once I've got that done, I'm going to cut it out with the coordinating die. So let me show you what that looks like and we'll assemble the card. Okay, I've cut the sentiment out using the stitched rectangular die in the set and then this gorgeous frame. And I'm going to start layering these. So I am going to add a little adhesive here to the back of my sentiment, and I'm going to put that onto the terracotta tile layer. And then I am going to start building my card front. So I'm going to bring in my terracotta tile cardstock base, and I am going to fold that and use my bone folder so that's nice and sharp. Then I'm going to bring in my early espresso layer and adhere that to the card front. Now as you can see, this is a very small margin. Just a little bit of the color peeks out from that outer base. And I'm going to adhere this floral pattern, but as you can see there's this gorgeous foil pattern on the back also. And we're going to adhere that once again with that small border. And now I'm going to add my beautiful frame here that I cut out using the die. I'm going to add some adhesive, and I'm going to set that onto the front. And then I'm going to take that layered sentiment I did earlier, and I'm going to add some stamping dimensionals to the back. Remove the covers. Adhere that down, and then I made this beautiful little bow using the terracotta tile ribbon that is part of this suite, and I am simply going to add a little glue dot to the back of that bow that I've already tied and add it here to the edge of my frame. There we go. It's that quick and easy. And of course, because we use terracotta tile for the inside of the card, you can add a mat so that you can write your sentiment as desired and it'll show up easier. There we go. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.